Securitization instrument. What is securitization instruments? On the basis of different maturity characters, securitized instruments are divided into three categories. What? Pass through certificate PTC, pay through certificate PTS, stripped instruments, stripped securities. Pass through certificates. What? The originator transfer the entire receipt of cash in form of interest or principal repayment from the asset sold. So when he sell his asset, he will transfer principal plus interest. Represent direct claim of investor, all the asset securities with special purpose vehicle. All the cash flow are passed to investor on immediate basis. When the sale happens, every amount will be passed out. That is passed through certificate. Pass through security. What? The SPV debt securities are backed by asset. Yeah. And hence SPV can restructure different tranches from carrying maturities for receivable. Okay. So every asset is backed by every security is backed by asset, correct? SPV will restructure different structure. So when they want, each tranche will be changed from this tranche to that tranche to that, they will change it from varying maturity for receivable. So I want, this is my receivable now, but I want to repay this tranche. So from that tranche, I will transfer to A tranche to B tranche. They will restructure the receivable based upon the payment what I made want to make now. It's also permits the special purpose for me to reinvest of surplus funds for short-term due to desynchronization in serving of securities from cash flow. So this pay through securities, I have a security which has a gain from it. I don't want to give that gain to the one-to-one linked. It's not like one-to-one. The SPV will be one thing, and there will be more trenches, and the trenches has more securities, and this more trench securities have been linked as asset to this SPV. Now, when I want to pay, I have more number of investors. When I want to pay this investor, I have a gain from the security, but actual this tranche is not directly linked to this investor. That is the issue. The SPV is the investors are linked to SPV. The SPV is linked to assets. There is no direct link from asset to investor. There is no direct link. That is here in the pay through security. Stripped securities. These are created by dividing cash flow into two securities, named as interest only security, principal only securities. What? The holder of interest only security receive only interest, while the principal only security holder receives only principals. Okay. When the yield to maturity market rises, the price of principal only securities tend to fall. Usually, when the prices of it fall, because when the maturity period occurs, nobody want to buy this principal only securities, so this price will fall. The value of issue of interest on security increases when the interest rate goes up. Yeah, or when the interest rate goes up, but this interest on the securities goes up. This is the based of stripped securities. Thank you. Interest only security is usually loan that amount has been bundled and been sold in the market. But in the principal only security, it is the investor usually what they do. Sir, I will provide the loan. That is not this percentage, that percentage. Any kind of loan, they will give the principal, but they will be the investor in it. They will be the investor in it. How they will be the investor in it? They will become a shareholder. This is principal only securities usually kind of shareholder thing. Interest only securities like an debenture thing. Okay, so this is the a common type of thing that look like between interest only security and principal only security.